How do you foster the culture of innovation, problem solving in students?
From second year, first semester onwards, career enhancement training programs were started. So advanced coding skill classes also we are conducting.
What support and guidance the CSC department provide to the students to secure job and internships?
So as per the industry needs, the curriculum is revised frequently. Give 100% to the student community.
How do you encourage students to participate in hackathons and co-curricular activities?
I want to see my students publish papers in Scopus journals. This year I have taken up this challenge. So individual experience, team experience, leadership qualities, all this will come. Engineer is not only for having scientific work, they have to do something to society.
And what are some of the key strengths of CSC department, ma'am?
And above is our faculty.
And our HOD also.
Thank you. Almost 99% of the students, they are getting internships in industries.
Before you mentioned that many of the students from CSC departments are contributing in club activities. So at the same time, maintaining 65% attendance is mandatory for institute premises, 75%
Correct.
and 65 at minimum condition.
Correct.
So does it impact the student development, ma'am, the 65% of attendance allowance?
I resigned the central government job and I joined in
Yes, ma'am.
because of passion. So I love students and I like this teaching. My inner feeling, my passion is this.
How do you balance the importance of technical skills with the need of soft skills?
Students, maybe technically they are strong, but they are not able to express.
No, most of the students are opting CSC. Is it a good sign or bad sign, ma'am? Ma'am, what do you have for the prospective students who are considering CSC a destination, ma'am?
The raw material enters into CSC department essentially. Once they leave, they will become a complete product.
Yes, ma'am. And how do you address the current challenges and opportunities of CSC? Ma'am, finally, on a more personal note, how could you able to maintain the charm all the day, ma'am?